In the open organ pipe is a cylindrical pipe. Both ends are open. Open organ pipe is a cylindrical pipe. Both ends are open. Okay. Here air column is present. Okay. Here also sound wave is sent. Nana. Look here. It will be other end, it will be reflect. In the previous case, here rigid support is there, so it will be reflect. But here there is no rigid support. Here also free end. But here, why here the wave is reflect? Keep in your mind. Actually, this is air column is there. Gas is there. We apply Bernoulli's principle in the first year fluid mechanics. What is the Bernoulli's principle? P plus half rho v square equal to constant. Constant means, for example, 10 fixed. This 10 is fixed. For example, pressure is 5. This velocity is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here, the wave, sound wave sent in the open organ pipe, here air is there. Air is always called as friction. Friction means always oppose the motion. So that's why velocity decrease. Okay? Velocity decrease. But here 10 undali. Here 4 unte pressure 6. For example, air oppose, velocity decrease, it becomes 3. Automatically it gets 7 because total will be according to Bernoulli's principle 10. That means velocity decreasing, pressure will be increasing. Because of high pressure at end, the wave get to be reflected. Okay, do you understand? Here air column is there. Because of air friction, sound wave velocity decreases. Simultaneously, according to Bernoulli's principle, pressure will be increased. Because of more pressure, the wave get reflected. It open end, antinode is formed. Here also antinode is formed. Because both ends are open end which will be formed, antinode is formed. This is the length of the organ pipe generally denoted by L. Antinode, distance between is lambda by 2. According to this value, what is the lambda value? 2L. We know that what is the frequency formula in the chapter? V by lambda. V and V. What is the lambda value? 2L. This is the frequency. Next chance is here, Nana. Look here. Always open ends which will be formed antinode because this is open. Antinode. Here node. What is the length of the organ pipe? L, Nana. Here look here. Node and antinode distance is lambda by 4. Here to here lambda by 2. Here to here lambda by 4. Look here. Nana. Node ki antinode ki madhya distance lambda by 4. Node ki madhya distance lambda by 2. Node ki antinode ki madhya distance lambda by 4. Look here. Pavu plus pavu. Half plus half. Full means L value equal to lambda. Okay? Here, look here. Pavu plus pavu. Half plus half. Full lambda. It will be added in your own way. That means what is the frequency formula? N equal to V by lambda. This is the basic formula. Here N equal to V by, what is the lambda value? L. What is the lambda value, Nana? L. Look here. In this comparison of last equation, here V by 2L get. So here write V by 2L. Here write 2. Any mistake? 2 to what? Get cancelled. Here 2 into V by 2L. Next chance is, look here. This is the open argon pipe. Here Nana, here look here. All open ends antinode is formed. Here, look here. Next chance is here. This is antinode. This is node. Node. Here what? Antinode. Node distance is always lambda by 4. Node is lambda by 2. Node is lambda by 2. Node antinode is lambda by 4. This total length is L. L is length of the argon pipe. L is equal to lambda by 4 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 2 plus lambda by 4. Look here. Look here now. Here what is the LCM? 4. Here lambda. Here 2 times 2 lambda plus lambda. 2 lambda, 4 lambda plus lambda, 5 lambda plus lambda, 6 lambda. 6 lambda by 4. Neatly write as 3 lambda by 2. This is the length of the argon pipe. What is the length of the argon pipe? 3 lambda by 2. According to this equation, 3 by 2 other side, 2L by 3 here. What is the frequency formula? In this case, we determine only frequency, V by lambda. Here, V and V. What is the lambda value? 2L by 3. Here, this is the frequency formula. Look here. It write neatly 3 into V by 2L. Sir, focus on the board. Completely. Here, V by 2L. Here, 2V by 2L. Here, 3V by 2L. Look here, all the diagrams. Okay, next I expect frequency V by 2L. Next time 2V by 2L. Next 3V by 2L. Next time 4V by 2L. This is assumed. You can 4V by 2L. 5V by 2L. 6V by 2L. 7V by 2L. And so on. These are frequencies of open argon pipe. Open argon pipe. Look here. Here one time. This is called first harmonic. Its other name is fundamental frequency of open argon pipe. Once again, this is called first harmonic, ORR. Fundamental frequency of open argon pipe. Here, how many times? 2 times. This is called second harmonic, ORR. Second harmonic, ORR. First overtone, because V by 2L compression is higher. Higher means overtone. First overtone. This is called third harmonic, ORR. Second overtone. Fourth harmonic, ORR. Third overtone. Fifth harmonic, ORR. Fourth overtone. Sixth harmonic, ORR. Fifth overtone. Seventh harmonic, ORR. Sixth overtone. Okay? These are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That means all here. This is odd. This is even. Odd, even. That means all odd and even harmonics are produced in the open argon pipe. మరి క్లోజ్డ్ ఆర్గాన్ పైప్ ఫార్ములాస్ గుర్తున్నాయా మీకు? ఇక్కడ రాత్ర చూడండి. V by 4L, 3V by 4L, నెక్స్ట్ 5V by 4L, 7V by 4L, 9V by 4L, 11V by 4L, and so on. Look here. Here one time. Here this is called fundamental frequency of first harmonic. Here third harmonic, first overtone. Fifth harmonic, second overtone. Seventh harmonic, third overtone. Ninth harmonic, fourth overtone. 11th harmonic, 5th overtone, first overtone, second overtone, third overtone, fourth overtone, fifth overtone. But 11th harmonic it is called. Here only odds are read, odds are formed. That means in the closed organ pipe, ratio of the frequency is 1:3:5:7:9. In the open organ pipe is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Nana, look here. Next, Nana. Rayleigh's correction. Actually, this is the closed organ pipe. Look here. Here, sound wave sent to, sound wave sent to. It will be here, sound wave sent to. It will be reflected closed end. Here, antinode is formed. Here, node is formed. Okay. Here, here in the previous case, antinode just formed. Antinode formed. Just open ends. Even antinode formed. Just open ends in the previous concept. But Rayleigh says this is the closed organ pipe. Sound wave sent here. Here, look here. Antinode formed not at open ends, just beyond the open ends. Rayleigh says generally in the previous concept, antinode formed antinode formed at just open ends. But Rayleigh says antinode not formed at just open ends, Nana, just beyond the open end, This is called end correction. It is denoted by E. E value generally 0.6 into R. Here R is called cross-sectional radius of the pipe. R is called cross-sectional radius of the organ pipe. E is called end correction. End correction is 0.6 into R. Here R is called radius of the cross-sectional radius of the organ pipe. Here length of the organ pipe is here. Here according to Rayleigh correction, node ki antinode ki madhya distance indaga elagarittu L plus E. Antinode is not formed at open ends. Antinode formed just beyond the open end. ఇది closed organ pipe కదా. Closed organ pipe fundamental frequency ఏంటి? V/4L. ఇది previous. According to Rayleigh correction, V/4. L is right as L plus E here. What is the end correction value? Look here. 4. What is the end correction value? 0.6 R. Here R is called radius of the pipe. Okay? Here. Next, Nana. Here, for example, I take open organ pipe. According to Rayleigh says, antinodes are formed just beyond the open ends. So that's why here end correction E. Here end correction E. Length of the organ pipe is L. Here total length is the L plus 2E. What is the fundamental frequency of the open organ pipe? V/2L. But after correction, it write V/2. L plus 2E. E value 0.6 into R. Here 0.6 into 2, 1.2 into R. This is the fundamental frequency of the open organ pipe after correction. This is the fundamental frequency of the organ pipe after correction. This can be approved by the scientist. English Rayleigh. This correction is called Rayleigh correction. According to Rayleigh, antinode not formed at open ends, antinode formed just beyond the open end. That is called end correction. It is denoted by E. E value generally 0.6 into R. R is nothing but the radius of the organ pipe. Okay, Nana? In this video to see next class I solve the problems of organ pipes.